Look at how cute this is. This is the Paul & Joe 2025 Beauty Advent Calendar, and today I'm going to unbox it. I'm so excited. This is always one of my favourite advent calendars of the year. It's just overloaded with cuteness. Before we get started, it is a 25-day advent calendar. It is worth €450, but you can buy it for £228. I don't know what it's worth in pounds, but that is what it's worth in euros. So without further ado, let's crack into it. But first of all, I do have to highlight this amazing packaging. Look how cute all the illustrations are. Also, fun fact, I actually still have all the packaging from last year's advent calendar because it was so adorable. I could not throw it away, so I thought I'd keep it for one day doing some kind of scrapbooking, like, I don't know, crafty thing with Mary. Anyway, let me open this up and show you the inside because it is spectacular. It looks a little bit like a jigsaw. Is that just me? Like, it looks like a Parisian view, which could literally be a jigsaw. It's so pretty. Paul & Joe, if you're watching, you should make this a jigsaw because it's so pretty. I'm not even kidding. I just leaned that forwards to show it to you, and I tipped it too far and everything came out. And I would pick it all up and put it all back and pretend that it didn't happen. But I just don't think I'm going to be able to concertina it back in like it's meant to. So maybe we just pretend this is what it's meant to look like. Anyway, I am going to open each and every one of these boxes and show you what's inside. And I cannot believe I was showing you how pretty it was. And then I just dropped it all. So of course, I'm going to go for a big box first. And yeah, look, it's so pretty. Every single one of these is just adorable. I'm going to do these in no particular order because it would be an absolute nightmare to try and find each one. So yeah, let's just do it at random and just enjoy the cuteness. So this is actually what we get on Christmas Eve, and it is the cutest little makeup pouch. Look at these little teddy bears. They're just so adorable. Oh my God, look at this. This is the 19th of December and it is so pretty. Look at those swans, and then if you open it up, it is such a pretty blusher. Look at that shade. I mean, that's just perfect. I'm gonna wear this shade so much, but look, I mean, oh, it does not get any better. This is the 4th of December, and look at that. Oh, it's so cute. It is a lipstick, and these cases, by the way, are refillable. So when you've used up the lip balm, you can, because this is a lip balm, not lipstick, you can actually reuse the case, which is so cute. But look at that. It's a cat face lip balm. Oh. And then on the 11th of December, we get a Paul & Joe. I'm guessing this is a mascara. It is a mascara. And I think it's in black. So yeah, we got a mascara. Ooh, this one's heavy. I wonder what's inside. God, I love unboxing advent calendars. If I could just unbox advent calendars every day of my life, like that would be like my perfect job. Oh, anyway. This is the 19th of December and this is a cleansing gel. And can we just talk about how pretty this packaging is? Like, I'm literally going to keep every single one of these boxes so that I can like use all that card for like some kind of fun scrapbooking thing with Mary when she's a bit older. But what have we got on the second? Oh, let's open it up. This is so cute. It's a little mirror, little compact to put in your handbag so that you always have a little mirror at hand. This one is also heavy. Ooh. This advent calendar, it's a weighty one. What's in here? Oh, this is the Moisture Balance Essence. I don't know if I've used this. Is it a spray? No, it's not. I think it's a serum. I'm looking forward to that. That is very nice. That is full size. And if it is a serum, if I'm correct, that is very generous. There is so much in this advent calendar. I'm not even like a quarter of the way through. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I think it's a lip balm. Look at that packaging. Everything is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's a lip conditioning balm. And then that's it inside. I don't think it's got any fragrance, but I love that packaging. Look how cute it is. Oh. And then this is the 8th of December. I'm sorry I'm not giving you the day of every single item. I just keep forgetting. I think I'm just like blown away by the cuteness. This is a conditioning body soap. So this is like a shower gel. And that is a pretty nice size bottle. It is 80 ml, perfect for traveling. Oh, look at that. You could literally make all of these little boxes into like little gift tags for all your presents. Like, don't throw these boxes away. They are way too pretty. Anyway, little compact. Let's see what's inside. Oh, little powder pad. And this is a setting powder. Look at that. Oh, it's just all so perfect. Like, look at this box. You could literally make so many gift tags out of each and every one of them. Oh, what is this? No way. Look at this. It's a little handbag. Like, how cute is that? It's like a little phone holder handbag. How cute is that? Like, look at this. It's got all the little cats on. It's such a sweet little kind of 70s inspired print. That is so pretty. It's literally a handbag. How amazing is that? What other advent calendars give you a handbag? Oh my God, can you imagine if Chanel did an advent calendar? Like, first of all, how expensive would that be? Second of all, can you imagine getting like a Chanel bag and a Chanel purse in an advent calendar? How wild is that? Anyway, how cute is that packaging? So sweet. This is, oh God, I'm just dropping everything. I'm just too excited. This is the 6th of December and look what we get. Another little compact. I'm going to guess this one is eyeshadow. It is. Look at these colours. Look at that. I'm trying not to drop everything, by the way, can you tell? But these colours are so pretty. We've got like a nudie shade and then kind of like a bronzy shade. Like, they're perfect. Perfect shades. You know, when you like absolutely perfect shades. They're so pretty. I'm so excited about this advent calendar. Like, literally everything is so beautiful and so cute and so wearable. And like, I just love it. So this is the 15th of December and it's a nice heavy one again. What is this one? Oh, this one is a primer moisturizer. So yeah, one of their primers. I love their primers. I actually used one of their primers on our wedding day. I bet you didn't know that. It felt so silky and lovely. Anyway, that is one of their primers with added hydration. And then next, oh, that one's already empty. I already opened it. Whoops. So this is the 15th and this is so cute. I think this is like a washcloth. Look how adorable this is. And fun fact, I still have my one from last year because it was so cute. I never used it. I just couldn't like bring myself to use it because it was so adorable. So now I have two, which means I should probably start using at least last year's and then maybe next year I'll use this year's and, you know, have them on the rotation. But look at that. It's a Paul and Joe face flannel. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, look at this. I didn't even know this existed as a product. This is a Paul and Joe highlighter pen. Look at that. Amazing. I can't wait to try that. And then on the 6th of December, again, I keep telling you the names just randomly what days they're in, but this is a Paul and Joe lip gloss. I hope the colour is the colour that it is on the outside. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. And then next we have, oh, what is this? Is it a nail polish? I think it is. It's a nail oil. I always need a nail oil. I always consider myself very dry of cuticle. Anyway, what is next? Oh, is this a lipstick? I think it may well be. Look at this mechanism. Oh no, it's not lipstick. I was just making things up. This is a brush for the blusher that we just got. Look at that mechanism. That's like perfect for a handbag. How handy is that? I'm not going to have a filthy makeup brush in my handbag anymore. I love that. Okay, what next? I'm just going to say it one more time. Gift tags. Gift tags. Make your gift tags with this adorable paper. And then we have another lipstick. This is a really pretty shade. I don't know if you can see, but it's a really lovely, like deep red. It's perfect. I love it. And again, lipstick cases, all reusable. And then we have another primer, but this one has SPF in. And then next up, we have another primer, but this one I think is a bit different to the one that we've just had. One of them's bigger, one of them's smaller. One of them is more moisturizing, one of them's more SPF based. I don't really know, but either way, we have two more primers. That is the danger of unboxing these out of order. And then we have yet another lipstick, and look, again, it's so pretty. These cases, reusable, so once you're done with them, don't throw them away because you can just buy a refillable one and put a new one in. But look, it's a little lip balm. Again, exactly the same as the other one, but different case. So if you're feeling generous, you could actually give one away and keep one for yourself. Or you could have one in one handbag and then one on like your bedside table or your makeup bag or whatever. But you know, if you wanted to give one away, you could. I probably won't. And then we are getting towards the end. And next up we have, look, again, the packaging, it's so cute. We have, oh, I think another primer. This one, I don't really know what the difference is between these primers. This one's got an SPF of 20 in, and I think this one's illuminating. So one's got a high SPF, one's got a lower SPF and it illuminates. And one's not got SPF in, or maybe has SPF in and is moisturizing. So there we go, another primer. So we've got, I think 3 primers in total. Who knows? I'm losing count at this point. Anyway, I think this is the final item. So here it is, the last item. This is a Paul and Joe hand cream. I feel overwhelmed. This advent calendar is truly bonkers. It's filled with so much cuteness. There's like so much cuteness in here. It's absolutely adorable. And then not only that, but like we've got some other fun things in here, like a makeup bag and a little handbag. And like a face wash, not a face wash, a face cloth thing. You know what I'm saying? There's so much. There's like body care, there's skincare, there's makeup, there's fashion accessories. Like there's a bit of everything. It's so good. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's such an amazing advent calendar. It's so cute. It's so charming. I love it so much. I love Paul and Joe. I think it's such a wonderful brand. Just so joyful. And isn't that the point of all this? You know, bringing joy. Anyway, that's the advent calendar reveal. I love it. I think my top favourite things would have to be the fashion items, because what a treat to get a little handbag. What a treat to get a makeup bag. The lipsticks are always amazing. I love it all. Like, it's just all so good. I can't even pick favourites. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.